Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ROG Phone 8 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, Messages, Notes, browser, it does not really matter, just have the keyboard on the screen and enter the settings, which should be in this upper panel. So let's tap. Then let's tap on the languages, which is at the very top of the list. And as you can see, this is the list of kind of currently other languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So, of course, find yours. You can swipe just like I'm doing right now, or you can tap on this search icon. Up to you. Find the language and tap on it and choose the region. And right here we've got the keyboard layouts, and basically the amount of them depends on the specific type of the language, because sometimes you will have only one keyboard layout to choose from, and sometimes even up to 10 different keyboard layouts. So in order to apply the layout, you have to mark it. So let me mark this one and untick this option, and then tap on Done. And as you can see, in my case, the Urdu language has been immediately applied to this list. And before I'll show you how to remove the languages, before I'll show you how to exactly set totally different language than you had before, I'd like to go back to the keyboard in order to show you how to actually use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So here we've got currently one difference, which is the globe icon. It will basically act as a language key and allow us to actually change the language. So right now I'm typing English, and after tapping on this globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. And right now we can also see the second difference, the spacebar. It is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using, which is extremely useful, especially if we've got the languages which letters are pretty similar to each other. Okay, so that will be all about using the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. And in order to remove the language, we have to enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here in this section, just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, I've got only English left, which means that I've got only one language applied, obviously. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.